feels like a living room back here. Oh, oh. The brakes are very grabby. You have DVR, which is a built-in dash cam. See the rumble road, it's not as harsh. You can easily go fast in this car. Hey guys, here we have the Hongqi, and this is EV sedan you can buy here in the Philippines, and this one is available for 1.7 million pesos. And we can see it does have a very long body, and all of that went to the rear doors, and we can see it has a very swoopy design. This one is marketed as a luxury car. Yeah, that is the boot space. So handle right there. If we hop inside the very large doors, we can see that the floor is a little bit raised, and the ride height is fairly high, so getting in is very easy. And we can see the large doors are massive. But yeah, back here there's a lot of legroom. Headroom, there's also this amount of headroom. But yeah, this one feels like a living room back here. So since this is an electric car, it also has a flat floor, and we can see that it has rear air vents for the rear passengers. It also has two USB charging ports right there, and a 12-volt power outlet. The materials at the rear door seems to be quite impressive. Soft touch materials with some leather padding on the armrest. We also have a fold down armrest on the center with two cup holders and a storage space right there. Let's do a door sound test. Sounds pretty solid. And again, ingress is very easy because it has a higher ride height than the usual sedan. Here is the key for the car. It does have the Hongqi logo at the back. Have lock, unlock, and a trunk release. Put it right there, and just press on the brake to start the car. There you go. There's no power button or whatever. You have automatic driver's side windows as well as the passengers. It has this floating style touchscreen, and we can see it has the radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and whatnot. You can also access your air conditioning right here. You have multiple storage consoles right here, a large one right here since there's no transmission tunnel, and this very interesting center console that fits the owner's manual and whatnot. It has a nice design, and the materials are good. You feel premium, especially on the doors. And let's fasten our seatbelts. You can also see that it has this very interesting pattern right here. To put it in drive, just press this unlock button, and now it's in drive. Oh, oh. The brakes are very grabby. So off the line, it feels quiet, as with every electric. Yes, zero noise. Although you have to be very mindful of the brakes because it is like slight throttle inputs lang, it brakes agad. The large greenhouse, it does have a benefit of having great visibility inside. Instant power from the electric motor, although it is delivered very smoothly, very linear. It's still giving that luxurious feel that this brand is delivering. The steering wheel is also leather wrapped, which feels nice to the touch. We have multifunction controls here for the volume and for the trip computer. Now the gauges feature 2 needles and 1 digital display in the middle. And here is the so here we have the infotainment, so it has Bluetooth connectivity. Here we have the vehicle settings. Now we are in eco mode. Let's try the standard mode. Then driver assist, you do have pedestrian warning, ESP, forward collision warning, there you go, speed limit warning. And for the price, I think that is a nice set of safety features that are available for this car. Here you have the Bluetooth. What else are available for the comfortable and safe? So a couple of more features right there. You have DVR, which is a built-in dash cam, and you can record and do some stuff with the camera.
That's the EHS9, that's the H5. Yung
yes.
black.
Okay. Right, so we are now driving it in eco mode. This is just in eco mode, and power is still instant, although as I said kanina, the delivery is linear. You can easily go fast in this car. The acceleration is instant, so you have to be mindful of the speed because the NVH is also quite good. You barely hear any road noise, and see the rumble road, it's not as harsh, and it doesn't feel like we're already running 40 kilometers an hour. It's very smooth. The suspension also soaks the bumps pretty well. And the brake region is fairly aggressive, so you can do a little bit of one pedal driving right here. So let us now switch to the standard mode. Let's try the acceleration. What's nice about this is that you can see the needles, the analog needles go up instantly. Unlike in some electric cars where it's just a digital display, this one has that analog feel to it. It's a high. There you go. Yes. Electric. Yeah. It's very comfortable, yeah. Especially, and the efficiency. Like when you're stuck in traffic, you're not using as much gas, you're just using the electric power.
Less maintenance din kasi.
Yes, less maintenance, just the no change oil needed and whatnot.
Actually, yung maintenance namin ito once a year lang, 10,000 or once a year.
Alright.
Whichever comes first. So
And just to check the fluids, yeah.
Check lang, basically.
The warranty.
Warranty of the car is 5 years, 8 years for the battery.
Okay.
And the lifespan of the battery, 15 years.
Matagal din, yeah.
Yes. And then per ano naman siya, segment, let's say, hindi naman siya kailangan, let's say, 8 years, papalitan mo na yung buo. So, may mga
okay,
segment
para
lang
modular
siya.
lang siya, yes.
So, kung ano lang doon. So, you don't need to worry too much about the price na you have to replace the battery. But
Yeah.
it's still ano naman, pwede mo naman siyang idaan pa rin sa baha, wag mo lang
Wag lang sagarin.
sagad na papasok yung water.
Yes. And I believe it is also safe naman. It's not because,
so
you know,
magpa-power off lang siya. Hindi
Yeah.
naman siya yung parang sasabog.
yeah, or ma-electrocute.
Hindi
There's
siya
no
ganun. Hindi
cases
siya
with that,
ganun.
yes.
Mag-off lang yung mga
Yes.
features niya, baka mawala yung instrument cluster or whatnot. So, or baka hindi na umandar, baka ganun.
Yes. Yeah, the batteries are very sealed with these electric vehicles. Of course, they made safety the top priority. So to control the lights, it is actually very interesting. So this one's the turn signal, and then this is a parang knob to turn on the park lights, then the headlights. I think that's a very interesting design because it's usually on the edge here or a knob here, but this is what you get. And you have fog lights as well. There's no sunroof, but you wouldn't need it actually here in the Philippines because it's very hot here.
And for the freebies pala, sir,
Yes.
if you purchased the car from us, Hongqi Manila Bay,
Yes.
you will get full ceramic tint for free.
Oh, so very interesting for future Hongqi buyers. There you go. Hongqi Manila Bay has you covered. Okay, so we are now back to where we started. And to turn off the car, you just press this P button right there for park. And then for reverse, will there be a backup camera? There is a backup camera. And again for park, instantly the handbrake is turned on. To turn it off, you just press this button right here 3 times. And the car is now turned off. Okay, that was a quick drive with the Hongqi. It is a very comfortable sedan, and for its price, I think it is something worth considering. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified